What's the meaning of attenuator? Attenuator. Attenuator.
Attenuator. Attenuator. An attenuator is an electronic device that reduces the amplitude or power of a signal without significantly distorting its waveform. It works by introducing a loss in the signal path, resulting in a decrease in signal strength. Attenuators are commonly used in communication systems to adjust the signal level for optimum performance. They can also be used in audio equipment to control volume levels. Overall, attenuators are an essential tool for managing and optimizing signals in various applications.